Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amavenge TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates won, Kaizer Chiefs won. I'm joined by Prache.
Hey, Stibo, how are you?
I'm Nandi Prache.
Stibo.
Of course, in Gucci, Prache.
Relax.
It's a crime, man.
Man, relax. Yeah, and I'm going Stibo. Yeah, no, Stibo. He came very right, Mara. Maybe before he came, as Kulumengama off the pitch incident, to see Ama officials were Pirates, the Chiefs, at Loggerheads, Balwa, in front of our kids. It was embarrassing. In fact, it's not good for South African football, and that should be rebuked. They should know that we don't subscribe to that. In South Africa, it's in a map now, football-wise. Wano Nuguti. Our affairs way to run smoothly. So what I've seen there and what we have witnessed as soccer supporters, honestly speaking, was not okay. Over and above that, Stibo, we had a game 45 minutes late. You know what was the reason?
Why?
The reason is the system Yama tickets. And until such time that we address issue of tickets, we're not going to find it right. There are people who arrived here very early, but the problem is that when you get here in network as a stadium doesn't work. Now, if our tickets are on a phone, you've got a problem because you are unable to now access our tickets. So obviously it gives management Yalama Stadium nabo open tickets an opportunity because this is in Yaval to fine-tune this system. I cannot say let's go back. So you're telling Agboma shop right obviously the country is moving forward in as far as IT is concerned. So we need to go forward. But all that we are saying Uguti Mabab Lung is into Yabonjengoba leak is over. So that when we come back into the new season, as Toli let's struggle, let's Toli. Stibo, Chiefs lost 3-0 last season. I mean, in the first league. So obviously, to save themselves from an embarrassment, they needed to come up with a plan. And their plan worked. Let's not allow Orlando Pirates to play. All that we can do, maybe let's catch them on transition. And they did that. They got a goal. We're nearly punished. In fact, we nearly lost this game. By the way, Chiefs is a tough opponent.
It is.
People were assuming they will come here and grab 3 points and go. It's a derby.
BK.
Now, in a derby, you cannot confirm that Pirates or Chiefs will win. This is the toughest game. So I'm quite happy that at least we consolidated the point. And it's not over. Sundowns is playing with Richards Bay now. We don't know what is the score. Sundowns will still have to play Kaizer Chiefs, by the way. So I'm saying to all Orlando Pirates supporters, it's not all lost. Let's fight until the end. But some of us still have a belief Yoguti, league is still within the reach. Yes, Steve. Okay.
I still have hope.
Somebody hope in China.
Time
of the match before fight.
Hot.
Udlalit.
Yeah.
Akawufela Nchaka. Yashiwa Prache. Thank you.